Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Ignore Repeat Touches function in Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, we need to go to Settings menu. Then in Accessibility options, we have Interaction and Dexterity. When we scroll down a bit, we have Ignore Repeated Touches. So what does it do? Set a time within which to ignore repeated touches. And when we enter this function, we can set up our timer, as you can see here, to anything from 1 to 4 seconds, and tap here twice to test it. And we have to enable this function, and now it's set up. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.